Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's get started right now. So what you wanna do guys, you wanna open your Instagram account, of course, and then you wanna click at the very bottom right, your profile picture. Just click it, and then as you can see here guys, at the three little lines in the top right corner, just click the three little lines in the top right corner. And after that you want to click settings, the first option, just click settings. And after that, if you can see here a few different options that come up, you want to click privacy here. And then as you can see here now, I have turned my Instagram account private. Like I made it private because I don't want anyone to see anything that I do on Instagram. So if you want to do the same, all you have to do guys is just check this. As you can see, just click here, and then at the very bottom click switch to private. So this means nobody can see anything that you do on Instagram. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.